In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browser cache and cookies in Chrome to restore Waze web functionality. If your Waze web page is not loading correctly, feels stuck, or certain map features are not responding the way they should, a quick browser refresh can often solve the problem. One of the most effective ways to do that is by clearing cached images and files along with cookies directly in Google Chrome. This helps remove outdated browser data that may be interfering with how the web mapping system loads. To begin, open your Chrome browser and go to the settings menu. You can usually access this from the top right corner of the browser window. Once you're in settings, look for the section called privacy and security. This area contains the controls for managing your browsing data and site-related information. Next, select clear browsing data. This opens the panel where you can choose exactly what Chrome should remove. In this case, make sure the boxes for cached images and files and cookies are checked. These two items are the most important for this process because they store temporary website content and saved session data. If that information becomes outdated or corrupted, it can prevent Waze from loading or functioning properly. After confirming those boxes are selected, click Clear Data. Chrome will then remove the stored files and cookies associated with your browsing activity. Depending on how much data has built up, this may take a few seconds. This step essentially gives the browser a cleaner starting point so the web mapping system can load fresh content the next time you open it. Once the clearing process is complete, return to the Waze web page and reload it. This final refresh allows the site to download updated files and re-establish a clean session. In many cases, this is enough to restore normal functionality and fix display or loading issues. If you're following along while troubleshooting, make sure the Waze page fully reloads before testing it again. Also, keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, so you may need to log back in afterward. Other than that, this is a simple and reliable maintenance step that can quickly resolve common browser-related problems. That's it. After reloading the page, Waze should be working properly again.